Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Workspace, formerly known as G Suite. This platform gives administrators complete control over their organization's Gmail, Drive, Calendar, Meet, and other essential Google services, all from one central dashboard. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to admin.google.com. This is your gateway to managing everything within Google Workspace. You'll need to sign in using your Google Workspace administrator account credentials. Make sure you're using the admin account, not a regular user account, as only administrators have access to these management tools. Once you're signed in, take a moment to explore the admin console dashboard. You'll see several main panels and quick links that provide access to users, apps, security, and reports. This dashboard is where you'll spend most of your time managing your organization's workspace. Everything you need to configure and monitor is organized here in a straightforward layout. Next, click on Apps in the left-hand navigation panel. From there, select Google Workspace to view all the core services your organization has access to. This includes Gmail, Drive, Calendar, Meet, and several other productivity tools. This section lets you see at a glance which services are active and available to your users. Now, review the status of each core service. Check whether Gmail, Drive, Calendar, and Meet are turned on or off for your desired organization unit. Organization units let you apply different settings to different groups within your company, which is particularly useful if you have teams with varying needs. To manage who has access to these services, click Directory, then Users. This shows you all user accounts in your organization. You can also click Directory, then Groups to review group mailing lists and see how communication flows within your teams. These sections are essential for maintaining an organized user structure. Security is critical, so head over to the Security and Compliance sections within Apps and Google Workspace. Here, you'll review policies like two-step verification, password requirements, and sharing controls. These settings protect your organization's data and ensure everyone follows the same security standards. If you need assistance at any point, use the Help or Support options built into the admin console. Google provides extensive documentation and direct support channels to help you troubleshoot issues or understand complex features. For a quick verification that everything is working properly, sign out of your admin account and sign back in with a test user account. Confirm that this user can access Gmail, Drive, and Calendar as expected. This hands-on check ensures your configurations are working in real-world scenarios. Don't forget to review sharing and collaboration settings within Drive and Gmail. Verify sharing defaults, external access permissions, and any data loss prevention rules you've set up. These settings determine how freely information can move in and out of your organization. Finally, document a basic onboarding plan. Create a simple note listing the required apps, default configurations, and who to contact for changes or issues. This becomes invaluable when bringing new team members on board or troubleshooting down the line. And there you have it. You're now equipped to navigate and manage Google Workspace effectively. Thanks for watching.